Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Q&A with BA. I'm Sarah. This is Clint.
Hello.
We are here to answer your questions, and we are so excited to be here because today we have another double question day. Isn't that exciting? Whoa! Okay, first of all, before we start into the questions, it's been brought to my attention that some of you might notice my sweatshirt and question why I'm wearing it. So if you know what my sweatshirt means, where this place is, what it represents, and you feel like commenting about it and being upset about it, I totally understand. Let me know. Do you know what's fun?
I don't know.
Okay, this is so fun. This is like a super fun game. Yes. Let's get started.
Let's do it.
So our first question is from our friend, Honest Guy. I like it.
Honest
Yes,
Guy.
we need more honest guys in the world.
Do.
Love your handle. Okay, so Honest Guy asks, pencil profile for 300 blackout in 14.5 inches. Is this doable? Seems like it should be for a fairly low pressure round. ... What do you think?
Is it doable? Yes. Should you? Or should we rather? I don't think so. We haven't really talked about it, but for the sake of the question, keep in mind it's not a 5.56 projectile, it's a 30 cal. So if you really think about it, that the wall thickness, as opposed to bore diameter and a 750 journal that it has at the pistol location, it's pretty thin already. It's not necessarily the most heavy barrel or even profile that we do throughout 300 blackout, which is a DRP. I don't think the need is there. Haven't had a lot of questions asking for it, but also too, don't think of it as can we take some weight savings, but it's like I said, the bore is pretty big, being a 30 cal. Your wall thickness isn't there, like you would think it is. And what if you throw a suppressor on the end of it, which many people do at 300 blackout? So perhaps you want to keep some of that rigidity. So is it doable? Yeah, technically anything's possible, but I don't think it's necessary, and I don't think it's as heavy as you think it is.
Thank you, Clint.
You're welcome.
Okay, so yeah.
What's next?
Now we have a second question.
Number 2.
Haha! Mr. _Germanic_ Ken. I've been looking hard at the modern 12.5 5.56 barrel and noticed you don't make a Hansen profile variant. Will there be a Hansen Performance 12.5 in the future or no?
Well, actually, there has been talks about that. So I'm a big fan of 12.5 inch, the modern series barrel specifically. And yeah, I think we're going to do a 12.3. I don't have a date on it yet. We have discussed it and decided that it's something we're going to come through with. So stay tuned. I'm definitely thinking first quarter, maybe 2019. But yeah, I am pretty excited about that barrel, and we have had a lot of questions for it.
And this will be the first Ballistic Advantage Hansen barrel that comes in bright colors and glitter.
No, but it will be really cool. Because you got to look at it, the gas system itself. It's still going to be a shorter barrel, and shorter barrels are very popular right now. Mm-hmm. So, but it's a little longer. So, maybe controlling that round for a little better accuracy, out a little further. But also, you still take advantage of it being a short barrel. But you get a little more dwell time on a carbine than you would a 10.5 or 11.5, which is pretty exciting because now your gas port can be smaller. Feels a little smoother. I'm a big fan of 12.5. So yeah, I've been thinking about the 12.3 for some time now.
Super exciting. Super excited to hear that news.
It is. It actually is a really good question. I don't even know if I should be saying that, but I'm telling you now.
Oh, we'll see if this gets cut from the video. Awesome. Thank you so much, Mr. Hansen.
You're welcome, sir.
For your wisdom. We so appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you guys for your questions. They were fantastic. We love getting questions from you guys, and you do such a great job at asking them. I don't know why I'm pulling my cell phone out again. I think you're
just amazed at how fantastic these questions are. And it really is snowballing into something really beautiful and fun.
Yeah, and subconsciously I want to do more questions. I'm ready for it. All right. You guys, if you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click that little bell icon so that you get notified every time we do a new video. We have new Q&A videos up every Thursday. What? Yeah, it's true. No lies. And make sure to follow us on social media. And if you want this guy to answer one of your questions, comment below. We can't wait to see what you send us. sure I just hurt something in my neck. It's fine. I'll get a CAT scan later. Anyway, how many questions do you want first? Do you want one question or two questions?
One at a time. You know I can't concentrate on 2 questions.
I know,
Awesome.
but I still like to ask because it's annoying. Okay, so
It is. You gonna hoodie it? They can't see your face.
I'll do something.
What? It's not cold here. Stop. All right, we're gonna bring this. Are you rolling yet?
Sup.
Is that recording?
Sup. Yeah, it's rolling.
Okay.
Patty cake, Clint. You have to play patty cake.
300 blackout question. 300 blackout. Take 1.